Hello guys, that's me Liz. Thanks for stopping by. And today I'm gonna do an unboxing video for my new audio interface. And this time it's a Behringer UMC22. And this is the famous cheapest audio interface that you can find in the internet. And I'm talking about branding interfaces. Maybe you can also as well find a very cheap interface like this on AliExpress somewhere in China, but when it comes to brand name, this is the cheapest one. Okay, let's start from the box itself, and we're going to take a look on it. And it comes in a little white box with that top here, burner, and here on the front you can see the front side of the interface, and at the back there is a back view of the interface as well. And I like how the box it feels. It's not too fragile, but not too much hard as well. But anyway, I think the interface inside it is pretty safe. And let's see what's written on it. It's written audio file 2 and 2 USB audio interface with Midas mic preamplifier. And I have also, I just got it, the second audio interface by Behringer. Here it is. And today we're not gonna open it, but I just want you to compare the boxes side by side. And as you can see, those two boxes are side by side now, and it's obviously that this audio interface is a little bit bigger, at least the box. Yeah, and considering what's written on the box, it has length 9 and 9, and this one is 9 and 6. Oh, and here's what just noticed. On the cheapest interface by Behringer, I cannot find anything written about the quality of the sound. Like here you see 24-bit, 192 kilohertz, and here's nothing. This interface, it has quality only 16-bit, and I think they forgot to, or they intentionally didn't write anything, because in the world of musicians 60-bit it's kind of not cool, so probably they just decided not to mention anything. And maybe also that's because other brands, other makers, they don't make any more interfaces in a quality of 16-bit, but the last one is 24. So Behringer is probably the only one. But at the same time, from the other side, we can see that this kind of cheap interface no other brands do. So this costs around $40, and this one costs around $75. Well, I know that there is one Chinese audio interface that you can find probably on AliExpress that has the same quality and is the cheapest, but it has 24-bit, and it's just slightly more expensive than this Behringer. But anyway, I think there's nothing to be ashamed of, and Behringer could absolutely put this on this box, considering the price. It's okay. Oh, maybe I'm wrong, and Behringer just decided not to spend some ink to write an additional writings on the box. So let's open it. Wow, we open it, and here what I see, it's the instructions first. Here they are, and I know that all that Behringer products have the brand sticker, as I remember. And some long time ago, I remember when I bought a microphone, Behringer C1 USB microphone, and I still remember there was the very same sticker in the box, and I put it in my laptop, and yeah, that was kind of cool. Okay, I think there's nothing more in the box, so I'll put it away. So thanks to the maker, we see here the protective panels on the side, so even the box is not so thick. I think this interface was pretty safe. Yeah, so let's remove it. On one side of this protective panel, you can find the wire, the cable. I think that's pretty original decision to put it here. I know if I sometimes I could miss that kind of thing. Maybe you can hide here something, you know. Okay, the interface itself. Oh, there's something on the. Oh, it's a silicone gel. It's very good. I thought they put these kind of things only with the microphones, brand new microphones, but also with the interface. You know, and I think that's a really good idea to put this kind of silica gel with all audio items because they tend to, you know, get bad and be destroyed by that. So it's a good idea. So yeah, here's the interface itself. We'll remove the silica gel. And it's completely black. And here's written Behringer. Here's black too. And I can see that some kind of protective film stick to it. That's a good thing, I think. And yeah, and the back is written designed by Behringer Germany. Okay. And here what we got. So here we see one microphone input. This is for guitar input. The gain, second gain, direct monitor, and the headphones. And on the back, we can see 1 and 2 monitor speakers, the Phantom, and the Kensington lock, and the USB connection. It's made out of metal, pretty decent quality for this kind of price, I would say. It's not a plastic like some of interfaces. You know, there's actually a sister model to this interface for the very same price, but it's made out of plastic, and that's why I didn't get it. I just got this because it's made out of metal. I think that's pretty durable. And where you can get both of that interfaces, this made of metal and the other one made of plastic. I will leave the link in the video description box. But keep in mind that the other audio interface, first of all, made of plastic, so it's not that durable probably. And the second, it has a different mic amplifier, so yeah, it might sound different. And the main reason why I got this audio interface is to make for you in the future many reviews and, you know, tests of microphones that I will have probably in the future. I will buy them or the one that I have already, and I want to test them on this interface specifically because it's the cheapest interface out there. So yeah, that would be interesting, I think. And first of all, I want to remind that all of this stuff that I got, all that audio equipment, I bought thankfully to my supporters, especially one of them, and he knows who I'm talking about. So I want to give a shout out to them. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Yeah,